Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0601O in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. On its temples are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a cat-eye shape. Its temples are Havana and the temple tips are gold. You'll also find the GG Gucci emblem on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Gucci logo on its bottom right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, the serial number, and that is made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a Gucci dust bag, a white Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is from Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.